Hello friends, let's do a cute little DIY. This little box that I'm painting on right now, I got it at a garage sale, you guys. I think I paid quarter, 50 cents for it. If you guys can pick up old little boxes like this that have like sayings on it, you can save yourself a ton of money when it comes to creating. I'm using Dixie Belle White to paint this with right now, and we're going to do a couple of coats on it. It goes pretty quick, you guys. I have to dry each side as I go when I turn it, because if I don't, then when I handle it or flip it over, it will get covered, or it won't stay on there. It'll come off onto my turntable. So that's why I'm doing it the way I'm doing it, you guys. Just makes it a whole lot easier to do it this way. All right. Okay, now I'm going to clean out all the paint in these little notches. And we're going to use a napkin that my friend Carolyn Snowman from the page sent me. And I'm going to take off the plies. I put a little Posh Pigment Infuser on my fingers and took off the plies. Now I'm going to lay it down on this little block with my Posh Pigment Infuser. And I'm going to try to make sure there's not very many wrinkles. I don't like wrinkles, y'all. That's the only reason I don't. I would rather iron, but if I don't have to, then I'm not going to. So, but I made sure most of the wrinkles were out of this. Super cute little project, you guys. We could leave it right there just exactly the way it is, or we can go back and do more to it, which I'm going to do more to it. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not good at these videos and talking through them, but it's part of the requirement, so I have to. Anyway, I tore the napkin a little bit, and I'm just touching up. You guys can see where I'm just kind of touching up on that napkin. I mixed a little bit of gray and white to get that background where it matches really good. Now I'm adding some gray in there to look like the stripes. If you can kind of see the background of the napkin, it has stripes on it where it makes it look like wood. So I just added some more stripes in there, and it works perfectly. Now I'm going to add some diamond dust to my snowman to give him that little bit of shimmer and sparkle that little snow people have. And I'm going to put it on my cardinal as well. Look how cute that is, you guys. I love it. Now I'm going to take and add some ribbon around the edges of this, because I just want it to have a little something extra. I think the ribbon just gives it a pretty little edging. And I'm just going to go around 3 sides is all I'm going to do, because I want it to be covered on all 3 sides. And of course, yes, my presents will be upside down on one side, but y'all, you can't have it all. You can't have it all. So I think it still looks cute regardless if it's upside down on one side or not. But anyway, we're going to take this cute little candle stand. We're going to add some glue to it, and we're just going to make it stand up on this little stand. I think that's super cute. I'm going to make a bow. Just a shoestring bow, you guys, or actually I make it look like a awareness bow, and then I pull it together to make just a sweet little bow. And then I couldn't decide where I want to put it. You see me walking it around the project, and I decided this corner was the best place for it. I think it's adorable. Now I'm going to look for a piece of Totally Dazzled that will fit in the center of this little bow. I always want to say bowl. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you have a blessed day. This is the final project.